But now we want to be able to receive comment. Let's say we want someone to leave some comment after visiting our site, or to leave a comment after reviewing, or as a form of review on our website. What do? In this case, we would like the person to enter multiple line of text. We are not telling the person to put all his comments in a single line of text by using just the text input or the password. What we want the person to do is to be able to enter as many lines as possible. So we are going to use the text area element, and the text area element is not an empty element, so it has an opening and a closing tag. So what is happening here is we are using a text area. We are not now using the input type. We are using the text area, and the text area is not it's not an empty element, so it has some text in between the opening and the close. This text you see here will appear in the comment box. Okay, it will appear in the comment box, so you are expected to click and then erase it, and then now enter your comment. Okay, some websites also allows the text that is already in the text box to vanish when you click on it. You have given it 20 columns to be able to write and 4 rows to be able to write. This is a very big text box. It's not as simple as receiving a normal username. Okay, so you have given a lot of chance for the person to be able to write as many comments as possible. You can even increase the number depending on how you want the person to send you a particular information. Let's save this and then refresh our browser. Now you can see this. Enter your comment. If you actually watch properly, we have given it how many rows? Only 4 rows, but the column, we've given it 20 columns. So that's why the box is not long like that, but it is it spans horizontally. It doesn't, you see, the moment I do this, see what is happening. But we are giving the person the opportunity to be able to write his or her comments. Let me click inside to now erase this, then I'll be able to write my comments. I have multiple, you see, I have multiple chance to write whatever I want to write in the comment box. Now what happens if I click in the box and I see enter text here, enter comments here, and I'm not able to erase whatever was there originally? It will send it just like that, or it will be, my reason will be added to enter your comment here, okay, as it was there originally.